you how to find your old comments on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing first, log into your Facebook account, then tap on the tree dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once done, tap on the gear icon available in the top right corner. Then scroll down till you find the option Activity Log and tap on it. Once you tap on Activity Log, tap on the first option available there, Facebook Information, then tap on Comments. Here you will get to see all the comments you have made on any post. This is my spam account, so I have not made any comments, so you cannot see anything here. But if you have done it, then you will get to see list of it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.